first thing that may come to mind when you see a machete like this is overgrown vegetation. If so, the fix for all that is a 16-inch Mossy Oak machete with the Sawback design that slices thick brush. So it comes razor sharp. That means you're not going to have to do anything to prep it. One person even said it would slash right through a 2-inch tree. So whether you have thick weeds, brush, or small saplings, this thing is going to destroy vegetation immediately. If you were ever in a plane crash in the Amazon jungle, I definitely want one of these. All kidding aside, with a full Tang, heavy duty like it is, this thing is made to last. Is there a downside? Well, I saw some reviews that said it arrived dull. I saw other reviews said it was sharp as could be. Mine is sharp as it can be, and those Sawback blades, those are wicked. For the money, I think it's a total steal. You get a full Tang blade and you have the Sawback edge, that'll handle all your brush easily. Even if you have to sharpen it, you can't beat this value. In my opinion, this is a buy.